Hello everyone, welcome to another Lou's Redos. A couple of weeks ago, there was a little note on one of the videos. A woman said she couldn't watch it because I talk too much. Sometimes when you listen, you learn stuff.
You're Italian, so
yeah,
she's going to have to deal with it.
There's always a story or a reason why I'm doing what I'm doing. Anyway, the other day, a friend of mine called me. His girlfriend was coming over, and she loves Chicken Franchese. And he said he would make it for her, and then she turned around and said, well, could you do it a little different this time? So he called me up and said, what do I do? So I gave him a recipe, and what we're going to do is I'm going to show you what I told him to do, only I just changed it a little bit here also. I'm redoing the redo, if you will. Chicken breast, butterfly it. Butterfly it, put a plastic bag or saran, give it a little pound or tenderizer, a little flour, put it in some oil. Then we're going to hit it with a couple of ounces of triple sec. You could use Cointreau. You could use orange Curacao. You could use Grand Marnier. Any orange flavored base liqueur would work. Always remember, take the alright, take the
not working this time.
No, take the pan off when you're adding the liquor, because it will flame up.
Like that.
A little bit. It's okay. We're going to give that a second to reduce, because you want to burn off the alcohol and leave the orange flavor in the pan. It's sizzling up nice. Okay, so now what we're going to do here is I always add a pat of butter when I do this, and we're going to add 3 ounces, 4 ounces orange juice, and we're going to put that back on the pan. I am going to hit it with a little sage, a little white pepper. I have the rind of an orange. I'm adding orange rind to that.
Bring out that orange flavor a little bit more.
Yeah, and what we want to do is bring that down a little bit more. I'm going to put together a whole dish. Now, also what I did, as soon as this comes up to a boil, I'm going to add some roasted pine nuts to this dish. I roasted them off before, and you just want to reduce a little bit. Actually, I could add them now, it doesn't matter.
There's no rules, Dad.
No rules. And you want to reduce that. Then we're going to make a plate in a couple of minutes.
We're making plates too?
We're going to make a plate, yeah, absolutely.
Out of ceramic?
What I did also, keeping with the orange theme, I blanched off some asparagus. In the pan where I did the pine nuts, I took the pine nuts out, I left that flavor in. I added some orange marmalade. And I added a little triple sec to the orange marmalade to bring that down a little bit. Salt, pepper, the orange that I took the rind off, I finished peeling it, I chopped it, I put it on top, and I put it in the broiler. So that is ready to go. Let this come down another second. I also made some yellow rice. I did chop up an onion, and I put the onion in the water with the rice just to kick that flavor up a touch more.
Orange chicken, yellow rice. We're getting colorful. Yeah.
Okay, we are going to make a dish. Ladies and gentlemen, it's nice and simple. Do what you want to do. But there's no rules.
Yeah.
What we're going to do is we're going to put a couple of pieces of that orange marmalade asparagus. A couple of pieces of orange on top. We are going to put some yellow rice. Then to finish this off, we're going to put that chicken breast. And there we have it. Orange chicken with a orange marmalade glaze for the asparagus with some fresh orange on top. Yellow rice. You don't want to do rice, you can do whatever it is that you want. Now, one of the things you could do, how many remember as a kid having a creamsicle?
Me.
So if you took the same recipe and added some heavy cream to it, you're going to have creamsicle chicken, if you will. It's going to give you that same idea as when you were a kid. It'll bring you back quite a few years for me.
Bring me back about 2 hours.
So there we go, folks. Orange chicken with roasted pine nuts and the asparagus. Enjoy. If you like what you see here today, please share us, subscribe to the channel. Any comments, please, I'm open to. You have any requests for a redo, leftoversbylou@gmail.com. Until next time, be safe and good cooking.
I don't think people can wait until next time, Dad.
Yeah,
but what's in the coffee cup?
Coffee. No, it's actually tea.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, it's green tea, folks.
Don't believe him. Bye,
Till
guys.
next time.